Well, y'all, as y'all can see, Bubs is just now waking up. He's not doing so excited, but maybe we'll get some ducks in a minute, huh, Bubs? Me and Bubs out here. We're trying a new spot this morning. Yeah. Hopefully some birds will come by. We moved way further up the river, hoping that we're in the birds today, because yesterday was a few, but me and Brantley didn't do great. So maybe we'll do a lot better here this morning. We'll see. See y'all in a few minutes when it's daylight. Y'all, it's still 10 minutes till legal shooting light, and we're already seeing some ducks coming by. Hopefully it'll be good here. Just a few minutes, huh, Bubs? Bubs is getting his eyeballs woke up this morning. He's gonna get excited here shortly, maybe. Still looking real tired there. All right, y'all. I think I actually hit that bird, but a long way. Give y'all a quick view of him. Can't get his camera focused, but there he is. I was gonna let Bub shoot him, but he jumped up. I had to do it. All right. Bub, let's go get that duck, buddy. It's floating away. We gotta go get it, okay? Let's go get it. We gotta go get it, Bubs. It'll be gone in a minute. It's floating away pretty quick. See if I can grab this shell by chance. Got that one. Let's go get the duck first, bud. It's floating away pretty quick. You gonna grab it, bud? Oh, for sure that'd be a great. It's a hen. What was that? What you see? No bands?
No. You feel it.
Hey man, what's wrong with you?
You feel it.
Well, it's just still mad because it got up off the water. Got up off the water and flew off. I'm not sure if I remember hit the record button on it, y'all. I don't know, even though I got the shot on video, but I really don't remember. So maybe I do, maybe I don't. But let's get back at it, bub. Yeah. There's a beaver right there, buddy.
You missed it.
I don't think so.
It's dead.
see it. You see it?
Shall I go check over it?
I don't know, buddy. See it.
Show me wait here, see if it's gonna come back up. I think we should wait till the beaver comes back up.
I don't see it. I don't know. I don't know where it went.
I guess it drowned. I guess it drowned it. It could have sunk. The beaver might have sunk.
I guess so. I don't see it nowhere.
But how? I wonder how when you shot him in the head it didn't die.
He tough. Well, I shot that beaver, but as many times I shot him, he was still alive, I guess. Oh well. Got that one, bud.
We'll probably have to go back there.
Yeah, he did. He fell right there, huh? That's a good shot. We've been set back up 2 minutes. That was cool. What do you think, bud? Is that cool? We'll have to go in there and get him in a minute.
I can get him.
I think a hawk came in here and got my duck. He's trying to take my duck.
So, do we have to scare it off?
Let's go over there and see what's going on, huh? Alright.
Is it? Ooh, duck.
Yep, that's exactly what it is. He came in here and got my duck. Let's get him.
You shot the hoot owl?
Yeah, I ain't believing this. That hoot owl's got my duck. I gotta go in there and get it. Hopefully before he takes off with it. It's big enough he can't fly with it, so I'm gonna have to go get it.
Joe, you hoot owl, you took my daddy's duck.
That hoot owl's trying to take my duck, huh?
That hoot owl's in big trouble right now.
Nah.
What? It's shit on it.
I know.
That's a meal.
Hang on, buddy.
It looks like a meal.
Quiet, I'm gonna get the duck back from him. That's pretty cool, huh? That hoot owl came in here. He's trying to steal my duck. See him sitting on it right now. It's too big for him to carry it off, so I'm gonna go in there and get it from him.
What's that it?
You wanna go in there and get it from him?
I think you need to carry me over.
I don't know if I can do that, buddy. You might have to let Daddy get it.
Oh, what's you carrying me?
Hold on, let Dad get out, okay?
And you can try to carry me?
Maybe I can try to carry you, huh? Come on. This hoot owl, look at him. Trying to steal my duck. Get him, bub. Don't let him steal my duck. Get the duck, buddy. Get it. Got it. That hoot owl's trying to steal my duck. We got him now, huh? Woo. Man, we can get into some adventures, I tell you. Alright, let's go back.
I think you shot him.
Yeah, don't let go of him, he's still alive.
I know you shot him in the wing. That hoot owl was dragging the duck off. Had her right there.
What do you think about that, bud? Yeah, buddy.
I want to run that thing down. He hit.
Well, that's 2 ducks. We're gonna get set back up and wait a little longer. That old hoot owl mad. We took it. He thinks it belonged to him. It belonged to me, hoot owl. He's still sitting up there mad at me taking his duck. That show you though, they hunting these ducks. Alright. We're gonna get back in the boat.
The duck was right there in that tree right there. Or that tree. It fell down. It'll be a hoot owl's, or it'll still be my duck.
Got him.
Why do you want to let me shoot it?
It was flying, buddy.
I thought I was sitting on the wall.
No, it was flying wide open.
Wait. I thought it flew back up in the tree.
It went down hard. We're gonna go out here and see if we can find it real quick, okay? Let's go out here and get him.
Yeah, I saw another hawk or a bird. I saw another hoot owl.
Yeah, we don't want nothing grabbing. Let's go out there and get him. Alright, let's go get him.
Just landing on a boat a while that it could have jumped out into the water.
I see him floating over there already, bub. You see him? Way across there. Bub. He's way over there. You see him over there? Let's go get him.
Look on this side. That might be a different duck.
Might be a different kind of duck, huh? We'll see.
I can tell it's a woodduck. I can tell it's a little woodduck.
There's that hoot owl. He's trying to steal my duck again. Oh, that's a
No! It's a mama duck! It's a mama duck!
Get him, bub. That's a hen, huh? That's my limit of wood ducks.
No, trying to steal.
That hoot owl trying to steal our duck again. Let me back up.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
That'll be a really fun video. Right?
Yeah, that'll be a really fun video.
Could hoot owl try to steal both our ducks?
Yeah. Hey, do you want to stay and see if anything else happens, or you ready to go home?
I want to see if someone else happens.
What?
I'll see if something else happens.
You want to go?
No.
You want to stay? Alright, well I guess we'll stay for a little bit. I can still shoot a, after all, I can still shoot a merganser or another kind of duck. Bubs can still shoot wood duck. We'll stay a little longer. Alright. Been a good morning, huh, Bubs? Are you glad you came? You sure wasn't glad to start with. We have a good time out here, though. There's a squirrel over there on the other side of the lake from us. Bub says he wants to sneak over there and see if we can get it. You want to try it, Bub?
Yeah, dude, I want to go.
Okay, he wants to try that and then go home. It's a little after 8 o'clock, so we're going to see if we can get that squirrel or not. Let's go. And then we'll come back and try to get the decoy. Just gonna sneak across here real slow, huh, Bub? See what we can do. You see him? Oh, there's a duck. Come on, Bub. Come here. Come here, quick. Shoot it, Bub. Here, hold your gun. Hold your gun. Hold your gun. Hold your gun.
Did I kill it?
Alright. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. Come here, quick. Hold on. Hold on.
Until we get past the wall.
I don't know.
Probably have to jump over it. Probably have to get over it on the land.
Kill him?
Yeah, we got it.
Good deal. You got us a good YouTube video going?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Good deal. I'll be looking forward to seeing it, brother.
All right.
Yeah.
See many of them flying this morning?
Yeah. Yeah, that.
Two Hoot Owl tried to get our ducks.
Really?
We had hoot owls trying to steal our ducks.
Really? That's wild. Well, take care, brother. I'll be looking forward to that video.
All right. We're going to have to go over here to the land and go around.
How? We're gonna get on there. But how do we cross that little string right there?
Hold this right here.
How are we gonna cross the string?
I don't know how we're going to get there, buddy.
It's gonna be wild.
Hang on. You got to wait, buddy. You got to wait.
Can you pull the boat over?
I got to get the boat tied up. And we don't lose the boat. All right, come around here. All right, I gotta grab my gun. Well, we gotta look for that other duck. I don't know what happened to it. That's somebody's trap. I don't even see the other duck now. Oh, there it is. Gotta get him, bub. Oh, there's the hen right there. I was looking for her. The whole time she's over there. Bub, you got 2 ducks, buddy.
Not the male.
Yeah, the hen's over there. See her? Over there. Here, let me grab this one, cause it's deep right here.
Then we're gonna have to go deep into the woods.
There you go. I gotta try to get out there to that one. See her over there?
Hmm?
Maybe I can use a stick. That ain't long enough. I don't think this stuff is strong enough to hold me. Yeah, I don't know about that. I can't quite reach it. Man, this is deep too, buddy. I can't get there. Oh boy.
How are we gonna get the hen?
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back around and get on that tree again.
And get over here?
We're gonna have to go back around and get on that tree. Oh my goodness. Well, that's some fun, dangerous stuff. Alright, let's see if I can get to this hen. Should be right there. Maybe I can get her with a stick now. I'm going the wrong way now. Man, deep. Gotcha. Think about that, bud. These two are yours. These two are your ducks. Alright, I gotta try to get back over there, huh? Let's see if I can figure out how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, it's tried to break, huh? I'll make it though. Here, I'm gonna throw you the duck. Oh, you don't have to get it now. There we go. We got him, huh, boy? All right.
Stop. I'll put you to flip.
What you think about that, boy?
Good.
Hold them ducks up.
All good.
All right. Good job, bud. Think about that.
Good.
All right. Let's go back to the boat.
I know where I'm going.
Yeah. You got there good, huh? Well, we didn't get that squirrel, but you got two ducks, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. All right, Bubs, you ready? Come here. Hold your gun. Let's go back across here. I think I got that one home in the trolling motor. Huh? And then We're getting them up, huh, bub? Getting these decoys up.
Decoys.
Bub's got 2 of them picked up already. We're gonna pick them up and get out of here. That's been a pretty good morning.
We saw.
All right, y'all. Bub's got a mama duck and a daddy duck. I got 2 mama ducks and a daddy duck. So we got 5 ducks this morning. Turned out a lot better than I originally thought it was fixing to do.
Yeah, and we saw a beaver.
And we tried to get that beaver. Them things are tough, man. You can shoot them several times and they still swim off. Anyway, Lord was really good to us. Who we thank for him, Barrett?
Jesus.
Jesus and the Lord, huh? And we're gonna pick up a couple shells and we're gonna get on out of here. We got the decoys up already.
Thank you like this shot. Thanks for the video. Comment down below.
All right.
See you on the next one.
Got those 2. We got 1 more to get. Y'all have a good one. See you next time. A beaver wanted to charge us?
If the beaver wanted to, if we're behind the dam, it might charge into the beaver might charge to us. The beaver said, "Hey, get out of my way."
All right, bub. Here we go.